this tune comes from the fairies in the north. It's called Wandescope. It's the name, it was taken from the fairies at Christmas in Glen Alden in 1898. And the informant, Thomas Kinraid, said that a man called William Keowner, maybe, used to play the tune 60 years previously, so that puts it back to 1830s. He would be going from house to house at Christmas, as people did, so that was the way the tunes moved around at that time. I should say I arranged this tune that Phil's going to play in a minute for my sister's wedding many years ago. And they went down the aisle flat out because I forgot to write slow and stately on the music. And it looked like a jig. And it could be a jig. Probably was a jig. Tunes go their own way, though, and here's Phil to do his own way. We're just playing short pieces of music here. It's not a concert. I can't say we've rehearsed for days. We haven't. So this is Wandescope. Oh, yeah.
Never played the fiddle with my glasses on before, so it would have sounded all wrong.